heat pump water heater. High-quality enamel tank. Offers a longer service life and stable heating performance. Refrigerant type R290. LED screen function. Dual power heating. In the cold winter, the compressor increases input power to stabilize heat production. When a large amount of hot water is urgently needed, dual power is more efficient. Monitors the operating temperature through multi-touch sensors and performs smart defrost on demand. Energy saving than scheduled defrost. Noise reduction system upgrade 2.0. Enhanced soundproofing material and DC fan. Meet various water usage needs.